They're getting
Unless...
smarter. They're becoming sentient.
You know, I just realized I'm not actually looking forward to having a functioning mouse.
Why?
you want to have the rinky dinky?
Yeah, well, I mean, I want the excuse.
Yeah.
Bro, my mouse, bro.
It's my mouse. I mean, I will be honest, I can't aim correctly because I have to situate... No, I mean, I can aim correctly, but like melees, I do have to like situate my hand differently because I'm not using a front
You just
button.
suck. Like, just get better.
I'm Alt F4ing again.
Did you Alt F4 when you died to the dog?
Yeah.
Oh.
Well, no, I didn't die to the dog. We killed the dog, and then I tried to clip it, and I instead Alt F4'd.
Really?
Yeah, I reset my computer today, so I was looking for like the instant replay clip button, and I couldn't find it, and I accidentally pressed Alt F4 because my brain was still off from when we were fucking with that dog.
Bro?
Can you just kill it? Oh yeah, that sounds like a nitro to me, baby.
I mean, they could be slugs. Who knows?
Nope, it's a nitro.
No, it could
That
be
is most
slugs.
definitely not a nitro.
I will
Yeah,
fight
not
you
a
with my
nitro.
bare
That's-
hand.
Listen to me.
With your bare hand. Oh, this thing's taken.
This one's also taken.
There's also men over there. I
Hot.
see them.
No, what are you talking about?
You
I
see
don't.
them?
I don't see them.
How
at all,
close?
With
There's an
9
orange box
eyes?
here.
Oh, you fuck.
No, like I have like my wall hacks on. I see them. Bro,
Yeah,
those dogs.
oh,
I'm
okay.
getting PTSD.
Have fun, you guys.
Luffy, what do you see with your special eyes?
Need healing. Bye.
See ya. That is a nitro. I'm telling you.
It's not
With
a nitro.
what-
Just push
I-
it.
Literally.
Push it. It's a nitro. It's. I mean, it's not. It's not
We
a
do
nitro. I
not
didn't say it was a
invoke
nitro.
the name of Lucifer in this fucking VC, okay?
What? That's a terminus. That's a Mosin.
Fuck. Oh, fuck.
What is happening
Bro.
here? It's fucking World War Z.
I'm about to say that.
There's somebody like right. Oh, I see him.
Don't
I
care.
see him.
Running.
Can you guys get him from here?
I have a
right-
crossbow.
Oh,
do you
fuck.
mean
Let's go
right-
push that guy. Yeah, yeah?
You're pinging him
Mosin?
like 5 years away
Oh,
and saying, "Let's go
sorry.
get him, bro."
He's in the cornfield. Let's go get this man's.
This is terrifying. We are pushing a nitro.
Death.
Oh,
A man was shanked to death.
Open that metal door, yeah?
Top window, top window, top window, top
Metal
window.
Why are you so far back? What the fuck?
Because I'm watching.
Yeah.
There's nobody
Upstairs.
up, I don't think.
Outside.
There's one above us. Above us.
Ah!
there's two out. That's a Sparks. Nice kill.
Oh, I'm in trouble! Oh, fuck.
Oh my god, I just got crossbowed, dude.
I got dually poisoned and gaunted.
You beat these dudes.
If only Luffy was with us.
What? The double burn instant?
Whoa!
What the?
They're falling from the ceilings.
What just happened?
They're
Are you fucking me? You're literally
Yeah,
fucking me.
Shit on, dude. Oh, I'm up.
What? How did you get rezzed? I was what? What the fuck is happening? I'm logged out. I'm logged out.
Oh my god.
Oh,
leaving, I'm
my
leaving, I'm
god.
leaving. Except for that just-
Dude, why was that fucking spider on my